Pyramid info. Right information about pyramid. A pyramid is a geometric structure with a polygonal base and triangular faces that converge to a single point called the apex or vertex. Pyramids have been significant architectural and cultural symbols throughout history, with many examples found in ancient civilizations worldwide. Ancient pyramids. The most famous and iconic pyramids were built in ancient Egypt during the Old and Middle Kingdom periods. These structures served as monumental tombs for pharaohs and were believed to facilitate their transition to the afterlife. The Great Pyramid of Giza, built for Pharaoh Khufu around 2560 BCE, is the largest and oldest of the three pyramids at Giza, Egypt. The other two are the Pyramid of Khafre and the Pyramid of Menkaure. Shape and structure. The basic structure of a pyramid consists of a polygonal base and triangular faces, also known as faces or lateral faces, that meet at a single point, forming the apex. The base can have different shapes, such as square, rectangular, triangular, or even pentagonal. The triangular faces typically slope upwards at an angle from the base to the apex. Variations. While the Egyptian pyramids are the most famous, pyramid structures have also been found in other parts of the world. For example, the Mesoamerican civilizations, such as the Maya and Aztecs, also built pyramids, primarily for religious and ceremonial purposes. The Pyramid of the Sun at Teotihuacan in Mexico is a well-known Mesoamerican pyramid. Mathematical properties. Pyramids have several interesting mathematical properties. For example, the height of the pyramid, the distance from the apex to the center of the base, and the length of the edges form a right-angled triangle. The relationship between the height, base, and slant height can be described using the Pythagorean theorem. Modern use. In modern architecture, the term pyramid is sometimes used to describe buildings or structures with a similar shape or design, though they might not necessarily be used as tombs. For example, the Transamerica Pyramid in San Francisco is a prominent example of a modern pyramid-shaped building used as an office tower. Symbolism. Throughout history, the pyramid has often been associated with various symbols and meanings. It has been seen as a representation of strength, stability, and eternity due to its enduring shape. Some believe that the pyramid's alignment with celestial bodies and cardinal directions holds symbolic significance related to cosmic order and the afterlife. Controversies. The construction of the ancient pyramids, particularly the Great Pyramid of Giza, has sparked numerous debates and controversies. Theories regarding the methods of construction, the workforce involved, and the purpose of the structures continue to be subjects of research and speculation among historians, archaeologists, and enthusiasts. Overall, pyramids remain an enduring and fascinating architectural marvel, representing the ingenuity and cultural significance of ancient civilizations while continuing to capture the imagination of people around the world. Free research preview. ChatGPT may produce inaccurate information about people.